So, one of the qualities of the absolute is unity, the undividedness. Sometimes that's talked about as non duality when we're talking about presence. So, it's like the difference between the waves on the ocean and the ocean. The perception could be that there's a duality. This wave is different from that wave. But if we penetrate into each wave or beneath the waves, we're going to find the water is the same. So the source or essence is the same. The presentation and the functioning is going to be a little different, a little more unique. So we want to orient and understand, include the unity. That's another quality that's important and helpful in the awakening process. And I love that the old Chan masters of China, the Chan was the predecessor to Zen. Zen is a Japanese word, and Chan is the Chinese word. The old Chan masters had a great expression for unity. They'd first say it's not two. Of course, when we hear something's not two, then our mind says, oh, I get it, it's one. And so their expression was not two, not one. And so you notice they're taking the two-ness, going to unity, but when we think oneness, we're going to the concept, the idea of oneness. And they want to take that away too, to have a non-conceptual contact with unity. So that's where the not two, not one comes in. So everything is always in an undivided unity, in a non-duality. We are different expressions of the absolute. We're extremely unique. There'll never be another individual that's exactly like we are. We're just phenomenally unique. And yet there's parts of us at our core that are identical. And again, it's like the ocean and waves. There's a different expression. Each wave is different, but all waves are water, all waves are ocean. And that's how we are. We're the absolute functioning as the seeming individuals. And we're very, again, unique, have unique characteristics of behavior, and yet we're an undivided part of the whole. And that's the reality of all universes and realms.